Hi there. So in this video, I wanted to just quickly show you how you can use the AB trend cloud combined with FVGs to catch some really nice trends on gold. Well, you can do this on any pair really, but gold has been known to trend a lot with slow, steady climbs and sharp drops, which is great because that's what we want. We don't want a choppy pair or something that moves tiny amounts in a range. We need strong trends and momentum. I won't be describing how FVGs work in this video. There are countless videos on this topic. You can either spot them with the naked eye or use an indicator to show them easily. The good part is you don't need to watch thousands of hours of ICT to get started. Using these two indicators, you have directional bias, range bands, signals, and more. FVGs are simply another confluence point we can use to influence our decisions. I will be using the 1-hour time frame and default settings for the AB trend cloud, as well as the fair value gap indicator by Spaceman BTC. The settings are pretty much default. I just changed some of the colors and we are good to go. Now you can trade on any time frame really, but the hourly time frame has a good balance between accuracy and signal frequency. As you can see here, we are in a slow rising bullish trend. First of all, we can see we are receiving 3-star signals. These are smart signals, and this gives us a lot of confidence to enter. However, there can be some false signals when price is hovering too close to the moving average line, so watch out for that. Observe how the price interacts with the lines of the indicator and how the colors change based on the trend direction. Ideally, you need a lot of chart time to recognize the various patterns that can occur. Gold is quite risky because of sudden reversals. Thankfully, we have these range bands that give us a pretty good heads up on when a reversal might happen. We can see here that the end of the bands actually got tapped twice, and a reversal did happen. FVGs have started forming as the price is dropping. We have to be extra careful because the prices reach the middle line, and that means things could get choppy. What we are looking for is clear price action of a trend continuation. We are looking for strong momentum, and the price being below the lines, the colors should also match. I'm particularly interested in a specific formation which looks like the lines have been squeezed together. So using this replay tool, we can examine how this drop plays out. We can go bar by bar to actually see the FVGs being formed as if it's happening in real time. Once you backtest this hundreds of times, you can start to see the same patterns emerging time and time again. Here the price drops and then it may enter a pullback before dropping again. It usually tries to go towards the main squeeze point of the trend ribbon or the closest FVG. It's important to treat trading like a probabilities game. If we see all of these confluences like the lines starting to arrange themselves in this manner, the colors matching, the FVGs clearly being hit, the price action of the candles themselves still showing signs of trend continuation, and on top of that we get the smart 3-star signals, I would just enter right there and ride the trend as long as possible. I will play the rest and you can get an idea of what's happening. This pattern occurs time and time again, pretty much in every market and time frame. There are also many other confluences you can use, other indicators, trend lines, order blocks, Elliott waves, harmonic patterns. The list goes on. Anyway, feel free to try it for yourself. We have a 3-day free trial for the AB trend cloud on our page, and the FVG indicator is free on TradingView. Since it's using only 2 indicator slots, you can actually just use a free TradingView account without any issues. Well, that's all, and thanks for watching.